Hey guys, so we're back with another luxury haul. So the first thing I have to haul is a Chanel bucket hat. I actually purchased two, but I'll be hauling the other one in a different haul. This one's the pink and white one that I've already worn on, I think, in TikTok and on Instagram. I have posts there in this hat that I'll put on the screen in case you missed those, so you can see how I would personally style this and how it looks on. This one is their Cruise collection. I don't recall. I knew at the time, but I don't remember anymore. But I love this one. I did already wear this in, where was I? Cabo. So I'll insert like that on the screen, the video that I took there. Obviously this does not go with this sweater, literally at all. I would never wear these two together, absolutely atrocious. This is obviously very much more of a beachwear piece and it does not go with what I'm wearing. So like nobody would have screenshot that. I look like so weird with this outfit. Sometimes I just want to go out looking really crazy and just like see people's reactions, but no, these do not pair well together, obviously. And I always keep all of my Chanel hats, this little insert that comes inside to protect the shape. I keep this in the hat like whenever I'm not using it, which is obviously majority of the time for all Chanel hats, obviously outside of like visors and stuff, but anything like a bucket hat, I always keep the insert inside so that way the hat can stay in shape. Stay in shape. The hat can stay in shape. The hat's working out apparently. So the hat remains in its, intact in shape. I cannot speak today. It's kind of like a tweed material. It just has a very subtle CC here, a little hardware piece, and then the rest is just the tweed. And there is a logo obviously throughout the hat. But something like this with a very like simple white outfit, just how I styled it when I was in Cabo is how I like this piece if it's like that. I just wouldn't like this if then the rest of the outfit was all logo. And I purchased these at the Honolulu store location in Hawaii. I saying these, I don't have the other hat to haul right now. On that one in a different video, but I purchased these there. And then in case you guys, I think I had questions somewhere when I posted this thing the last time I purchased a Chanel bucket hat. These hat boxes you have to ask for. I mean, I don't know, I always ask for them, and I've always received these at the Honolulu location, so I think I have like 3 so far, but you have to ask for the hat box, and it is kind of an ordeal. Obviously you have to lug it back home, and that's why it's at the other hat, my other house, because I had to have my dad bring the other one back to that house because I couldn't carry both big Chanel bags. So it is kind of an ordeal to bring it back home if you're traveling with somebody else and they're able to carry another one and purchase 2. That would be nice, but you do have to carry this carry-on, otherwise it probably would not fit in a suitcase. I think I've tried like many times and they just don't fit in suitcases, so it is something you have to just like hand carry on the plane. But definitely ask for the hat box, because otherwise they will just put a hat in a dust bag and they won't give you the hat box. Next, I have some pieces from Hermès. So I have 3 pieces from their tableware collection and then a pair of shoes. So the first 2 things are the same mugs. So they're just the same deco collection, tableware collection from Hermès coffee mug. So if you guys watched my, I think it was luxury home decor haul or something like that I did around a year and a half ago. Sorry, this bird was like flying out the window, it scared me. I saw movement and I thought someone was like in my backyard. But I forgot what I was saying, I don't know why. I live in such a safe area. I always think like someone's in the yard, like someone's I have cameras like all around my house. I don't know why I like freak out, but anyways, so if you guys watched that haul, you would have seen I already have the teacups of this that are basically more where the white is the more prominent color. I already have those, and then I wanted the coffee mugs, so they're a bit larger because the tea ones are quite small. And I actually totally forgot I did get these as well. I'm using one right now, so it has a little bit of my tea inside of it from my tea glass. If any of you guys are on a diet, Milo's tea is really good. It's 0 sugar, 0 calories, and it does not taste like it. It does not even make sense. I'm not on a diet, it's just something I like the taste of it, and I just noticed it was 0 sugar, 0 calories. So I told my mom about it, who is on a diet, and she is like, I need to try that. So just a little tip for anyone who is dieting, but that's what I'm drinking right now. So these are basically little coasters. It's kind of interesting, so I think on Hermès' website they call them one thing, and then these ones I actually purchased at Neiman Marcus, and they called it like plate on one and then like coaster on another, so I'm not really sure what they're intended to be used for. At the time I purchased them, they didn't have them available on Hermès' website, so I wasn't able to find the original link. I'm sure if I had researched more, I would have probably found it, but I've been using them as coasters, if that's what they were called on Neiman's. And I just have them here on my coffee table. Usually what I will do is I am on like a weird thing where I can only have like made in Italy glass, like the big glass water bottles. That's not to be like annoying, it's literally just because It's healthier for you, like everything made in Italy and France is a lot healthier for you, food-wise, water-wise, more so probably food-wise. There's got a lot of things that are like banned in other countries that we allow here that are not good for you. So I've been trying to educate myself on that a little bit more. So I'm on that weird kick right now where I can only have like made in Italy water. So that's how I've been using these coasters for the most part. Is having like the bottle in one and then my glass of water in the other. I don't know why, it's just like such a vibe on the coffee table. So I love those coasters and I've been using them a lot lately. And then next I have this is actually from the Mosaic line. So the coffee mugs and the coasters are from the Deco tableware line from Hermès. This one is from the Mosaic Platinum line. So they have the Mosaic Gold and they have Mosaic Platinum. And I don't know, I don't really like this one as much as the Deco one. I think I'm going to put this in my mom's bathroom at this house. Because like they have their own house, but they have like a room at my house. So sometimes like I will decorate her room a little bit more. Like she takes care of my bedroom I have at her house, and then I take care of her bedroom that she has at mine, if that makes any sense. So I'm probably going to put this in her bathroom. She already has a Dior tray though that she has not used. I think it's still sitting in her closet. But yeah, I'm probably going to put this in her bathroom and maybe put like perfumes and like a few of her skincare products on there. And then I also had the desert deco plate, but I already shared that in my last haul, so I'm not sharing it again. And I just, if you didn't watch that haul, have my little candles that I need to probably switch out now that we are approaching spring, because those are the Dior holiday candles. So yeah, that's it for tableware from Hermès, and then next are these shoes. So these are the Go Mules, and I remember like my mom sent me a photo of like some essay had like posted on her Instagram, like a photo of these are the shearling Go Mules. They do have, so basically these have shearling on them. They do have it without the shearling, and I'm sure that, I think that's also less, it costs less to have it without the shearling. I didn't buy like a couple hundred or something. But I like the shearling ones. I think they're more unique and it makes them look a little bit less like manly. Like I feel like without the shearling they can look like a little plain Jane or manly, like masculine I guess, which is, I have a very masculine personality, so I can't be looking masculine too, like I need to be looking a little bit feminine. I love these, and my mom had like sent me a photo of the ones without the shearling and she was like, oh how cute are these, like they look comfy, probably like several months ago, and so I was like waiting to try to find these ever since, and I found them probably like 2 months ago, and I found them with the shearling, which I love even more. And the sole of these shoes is very similar to the chypre, so if you were like curious, I don't think like that many people have these, whereas the chypre are definitely a lot more popular and like well known. I have two chypre to haul and another haul, I don't know which one's going up first, but I love these and I'm so excited to wear them. I can't really speak on the comfort because I haven't worn them yet. I've just like tried them on around the house, but I love these, they're so cute. They are kind of heavy and I'm a little concerned about that, but the chypre are fine. The chypre are kind of heavy too, so I think it'll be okay. And I didn't size up in these at all. There I ordered just like my true size, which is a US 9. Okay, next I have a headband from Dior. I already hauled this on my TikTok, but I feel like I have like a lot of people on YouTube that are really interested in luxury and not as many transfer onto TikTok. Like it's just different style. Like I feel like people, and I'm similar obviously, like I like luxury hauls and things like that to watch those things, and I prefer YouTube as well over TikTok, mostly because you don't really see a whole lot of like luxury hauls and things like that on TikTok. But I do post like some luxury content on there. I think when I first had like told you guys about my TikTok, I didn't really have that much luxury content on there. I have been trying to incorporate more like hauls and things like that on there as opposed to just like little vlogs. So I did already haul this in a luxury haul I did on my TikTok account. I purchased this in Capri, Italy. This is a Dior headband. And I bought this for my mom. She has not worn it, so it's still new in the box, and she did the same thing with an Hermès headband I purchased her. I'm the one that loves headbands, but she had tried on a Missoni headband of mine and she like loved it and said it was really good for like in between touch-ups of like the roots of hair color, that it like covers up like quite well, so that's like a tip if you're older. I know I have like older women that watch these videos as well. That's like a tip, is if you wear like a headband, I guess it will cover up the color. So she doesn't wear them that often because she normally just always has her hair colored. But this is a Dior headband that I purchased her in Capri, Italy. So if she doesn't wear this and the Hermès one, I'm going to be confiscating them and keeping them for myself because they're so cute. I love headbands. I think like part of the reason why I like headbands is because I have kind of a large forehead, so they're very flattering on me. I think if I had like a short forehead, a small forehead, it probably wouldn't be super flattering. but they look really nice on me. So I really like to wear like scarves and anything that's like a headpiece, hats, things like that. So if she does not wear this summer, I will be confiscating this and taking this back for myself. Same with the Hermès headband. They're both so cute and I love headbands. So she needs to start wearing them more. Okay, next is this Fiorucci Barth. I don't even know. I think it's considered like a bikini bag. Do they say like what this is called on here? Aline sponge stripes, angel's palm, Fiorucci. They don't really say special edition one size or whatever. So we already know I have an obsession with Mc2 Barth, that brand. And I'm kind of annoyed that they've started to open locations like in the US. Like I had somebody comment on one of my last hauls asking where, maybe it was a vlog or something, asking where you can purchase that. And I knew on Farfetch you could purchase it. But a lot of people in like Europe and other countries know about this brand, but not so much in the US. And then I saw, like when I went to respond to that comment to see if they had store locations, they had like 3 in the US and they have one in LA. The LA one is where I'm like, no, like everyone's going to start wearing this now. So I'm not thrilled about it. I mean, that's great that their brand is expanding success-wise for the brand, obviously. And I love this brand. I'm just like, oh, like people better not make it basic, basically. Because I love this brand. They better not ruin it for me. But I love this so much. And I don't plan to use this as a bikini bag. I mean, I will sometimes use, like I have bikini bags that I'll bring with me on vacation that I will put my bikini in. If I just went swimming and we're leaving the hotel or the airport, I don't want a wet bikini like sitting around my bag, so I will, you know, use it in that case for something like that, and I'll clean it later. But usually I just use these as kind of like a little clutch to go to the beach or something at hotels. So I think this is like, or I'll put in my beach bag and, you know, maybe have like other little things like SPF and stuff in here. So that's how I plan to use this. I obviously haven't used it yet as a tag on it. I also have this really large tote bag, and I just realized that is also at my other house. And that's so cute. I'll insert like a photo of it here because I did bring it on my last trip. My mom and I like split things up in our suitcases when we go back, and she flew back to her house. So I don't have like a lot of my things, and I planned on filming like a bunch of luxury hauls, and I can only film 2. I'm going to film 2 today, and they'll go up at different times because I don't even have a lot of my stuff that's at the other house. So next we're going to do, I have a sarong from Trina Turk. So actually I didn't plan on hauling this. There's so many things that I buy and then I bring them with me on vacation, or I wear them already, and then I feel like, okay, I've already worn that. Like it's kind of like weird to be like hauling it when it's not, and it's like mint condition, like it's not new anymore. But like I just did that with these like Brunello Cucinelli pants. I might like still haul those because I love those and I do want to share those with you guys. But I just packed this for vacation and I didn't end up wearing it, so I was like, okay, this is still like new, it's not gonna look like a little raggedy thing. Like that's why I don't usually like haul anything with what he wants. I don't want it to look like, you know, all raggedy on camera or something because I've already worn it. Not like it would, but like after I then have things dry cleaned, like I don't really know how to do laundry that well. I just learned how to do laundry like a few years ago, which is so ridiculous. I was somebody who had everything sent to like the laundromat. Like I would have somebody who like came to my house and like took my laundry in bags, and I would just have to have it in bags at the door. So I really was just like I'm just not trusted with things like this. I will ruin it if I try to wash it. But this is a really cute sarong, and Trina Turk has really good quality, like nice pieces for affordable prices. This is like another brand that I would recommend. Like I know I have received comments like that sometimes of like what brands I would recommend that are more like Zara price range-ish and are like nicer quality. And Trina Turk is definitely one of them. I think they're like, if I wasn't in like Missoni price range for beachwear, like summer, like, I do love Missoni for like summer like beachwear. That would be like my go-to brand. If I wasn't in that price range, it would be Trina Turk. And there are like some things I obviously still purchase from Trina Turk if I see something that I like. So I love this, and I can't wait to wear it. I just ended up not wearing it on the last vacation that I went on. Okay, next I have this little set from Spell, and then this cover up from Mc2. Barth. I should probably haul this one first so it's kept in order, or not really in order, but kind of closer to the last Mc2 Barth piece. So I already showed this when I was in Santorini, I think on like TikTok or Instagram, maybe both. And I have already worn this there, but I just wore it for like a few hours as like a beach cover up by the pool. So I love this so much. It kind of reminds me of Emilio Pucci. And I'm not usually somebody that likes like things that look similar to another brand per se, but I really like this brand. Like if this was, I don't know, like Alibaba or something, I would not like it, but because it was Mc2 Barth and I already love that brand, I was like, okay, this is like so cute, and obviously a total fraction of the price of Emilio Pucci. So I really like this, and I can't wait to wear this more. It is so nice and it's comfortable and it's lightweight, so I really love this piece. I think this was just one size. I don't recall this being in sizes. Yeah, no, this was just one size. Okay, and then next is this bell set. I really like this. I think I might need to have the pants tailored. They're really long on me, and I honestly really wonder, what do people do that are, like, I'm a little bit on the taller side for a female. What do people do that are normal height, like females? Like, do you just have to have all pants tailored? Do you have to order like short length? I don't understand. So a lot of brands don't even offer like short length, and I just get regular, and a lot of the times they're like really long on me, and I'm like, what are other people doing? I'm already on the tall side. Like, I don't understand. But I think that's definitely better, so you can have it, you know, altered to fit you, but that would obviously be like a little annoying if you have to have like everything altered, which is what I just had to do. I did finally go to alteration, so I had a bunch of pants altered that I could finally wear that were sitting in my closet for ages. But I love this. I have a little pocket. I personally probably wouldn't wear them together. It's like a pair of pants and then this like button up. I would probably wear them separately. So I'd probably wear this like over a bikini open or like half open, half a button, and then I'd wear the pants separately with maybe like, you know, a blue, pink, or like white, like one of the colors within the pant, tank top over bikini or something. Like, that's how I would personally style these pieces, because I feel like together when it's like too matchy, I don't know why. I used to love matching sets, but I feel like they're a little bit lazy. Like, it is nice, you know, and if you're in a lazy mood maybe, but if I have time to style something, I don't want a matching set. That's something I want if I'm a little bit lazy. But you could wear this obviously as a matching set, or you could wear the pieces separately, so you kind of get like 3 looks in one. That is one thing that's really good about matching sets. So that's it for this luxury haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next luxury haul. Also leave comments for any other kinds of videos you would like to see. I know I've received some in the past, but I don't remember. I need to go through my old videos and look at the comments, because I do kind of want to add, like, I don't want it to just be luxury hauls. I do want to do like some styling videos or like other kinds of videos that are still within like fashion category, but just like leave me any ideas in the comments down below. I know I've received like how I would style like my own outfits that I wear. I know I've received like questions about like certain pieces that I would like recommend that are like staple wardrobe pieces. I need to look through comments, but also please leave them in the comments of this video so I have them more in like one place, as opposed to like me having to go on a little scavenger hunt. And I will see you guys in my next video, yes. So that's it for this haul, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.